Another big project from Jim. When he gave me this one, he said, don't get the stress. He expected eventually I gave up fixing this typewriter. So he first time he didn't want to give it to me because he thought he gave me a stress because it's totally smashed around this part. So does not work anything. So he said just try and enjoy and throw away while using the part machine. Don't get the stress. He mentioned several times. So yeah, I'll try. It was totally bented and then broken, of course. It's bented and then under the keyboard inside it was not here. Inside it's broken, so I bent again, make it straight, and then I attach with using the super glue, and then another I attach this one to support. Right now it's very solid, but from the top it's not that bad. But yeah, if you know history, yeah. Also I bent a lot this one still because this one totally bented, and then under the another keys same thing, that's why it was broken. And then the several key means the more than half key does not work anything. So I try to rearrange this slot, a lot of slot, right? Some slot bented, but that was not enough. I realized also this bars a lot the bented. Still you see the right? It's not regular. The totally some like this, yeah. But now somehow it works. Still we need to clean, but some key hard to get the print. One of them is a M, another is a F, another is a O. O is right now almost okay. M a little bit offline, but still okay. But F, it's very the now you can get some letter like looks like F, right? Yeah. So first time it's like where is this point? This is hit with the hammer, then we can get like this. But without like this. Right now, if you hit a little bit strong, we can get like this. So yeah, this is the outside case is very light, but this is a little bit heavy. But the base material, this part, it's really heavy. There's a serial number, right? Yeah, serial number 57362 what? 50, right? And then this is from the England. It's originally Oliver Typewriter Manufacturer Company manufactured this typewriter. So that means a little bit solid and then good touch. Because Oliver typewriter is very famous for the touch feeling. Let's assemble. I already put this shift key. This color is black, right? So I wanna need this one also. So This original slot is small, so first I used this to make a hole a little bit bigger, like this, and then I used this one, the heat, so make hot this part, and then later I push this one into here. So after that, I think it looks good. Finally, everything put together. I put the shift key both sides. One was at that time missing. This part was broken, so I take off and then switch this one. So, and then spacebar, working good. So everything looks good, but still some keys we need a little bit more adjusted. But right now I think I want to stop here. So yeah, this typewriter got a new life. Actually, this one is a Oliver Courier, exactly same. Just different is this log. They have no log. They put the logo here or logo here. After 1957, exactly same. Everything same. Color, the same. Yeah. The before one little bit different, but Oliver typewriter manufacturer company in England. This was sold by with the Tower brand. Normally Sears they sell this one. But normally with their name or yeah, for example Tower or Sears. But this one no, nothing. Put the Tower brand. Just Collegian, this, but exactly same with the Oliver Courier. We can see the behind the name. See, yeah, Oliver manufacture. I mean typewriter manufacture company, the England. See, yeah. So yeah, as you see. As you saw the previous before fixing this one and the picture, it was totally inside, and then this especially bented push back, so that's why some key hit but does not move the carriage. So I think this touch is very good. So yeah, but still some key we need especially the F and M. It's a problem for the print, but except that the key works, but sometimes just a little bit the slow. I mean the like this, just sometime. Not. Anyway, this typewriter got a new life with the beautiful shift key, right? Yeah. Bell sound is also okay. All right, thank you for watching.